Dear future programmers, this is why you don't be a programmer or can't find job in IT. Here is a list of 4 arguments why you cannot be a programmer. Number 1. The labor market in many countries is overcrowded. Let's start from the beginning. Especially if you are a junior developer, it will be harder for you because employers expect more from year to year, which is impossible to learn as a beginner. Mid-developers with several years of experience are most often employed in this industry. Number 2. Little knowledge. If you think that a few online courses are enough, you are wrong. The basis for the junior dev position is HTML handling, creating responsive pages using CSS, understanding JavaScript and using simple APIs. Number 3. A lot of pressure. Working in IT is not as easy as it looks. The simplest examples are frequent deadlines and famous code errors. Number 4. Too general knowledge. If you want to become a developer of mobile applications, knowledge about creating games or websites may turn out to be incomplete, but it can become the basis for a better understanding of your industry. As you already know, being a programmer is not as easy as the media say. This is an industry that is constantly evolving. So if you want to follow tech news, subscribe to my channel and see my previous videos.